Hello guys and assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Last time as we talked about how we can make a simple web page without coding, without programming. All you have to do was just draw on the paper and upload it, and Microsoft AI API would just turn your drawing into a whole web page. And today we are going to talk about Google Sites. Yes, you heard that right. Sites by Google. Now there are different platforms Google has been working upon. One of them include the mobility for programmers, and Google site is one of their platform where we can develop websites just by dragging and dropping with a certified web address. Well, let me show you guys here. All you have to do is just go to sites.google.com. Let me zoom it up. If you can see, yeah, here, you all you have to do is just go over there. Of course, you need a Google account for this. Now once you are in, as I've already logged in, you can see I'm already logged in over here. And these two are websites that I've been working upon already. Now uh, I shall brief you from scratch. So once you are in this interface, you will see a small plus sign over here. When you hover over that, it will say create new site. So whoosh, just click on this and you will be taken to another platform and another page where you will be asked for your website address, your website name, and what you want to do, what type of website that would be. Okay, let's make a blog. Now who would not want a blog of himself? Okay, for that, see, this would be the very simple interface. Now what has Google done? It has simplified each and everything for us. Like you can just insert anything. You can insert a text box, you can insert an image, you can embed your things, you can embed things such as if you are having a Facebook post, you can embed to your page or like that. And you can just import anything from Google Drive as well. There are different layouts. Now I suppose you would be knowing what are layouts. There are different layouts, different arrangements of how you want to place things. There are different options like collapsible text, table of contents, image carousel, button, divider, and all those things. Now the biggest question arises in people's mind that when there are different platforms like you guys have WordPress, you guys have Wix.com, you guys have Webs.com, you have CMS Joomla and other platforms, then why should you use this? Now all these things, they are so much complex to understand. They're not for beginners. Now what have Google done? They have provide everything for beginners. Now if I don't know programming and I know nothing about, if for suppose I know nothing about HTML or web designing, all I have to do is just open this website and start designing. Here, okay, this was them. There are, okay, let me first brief you. This is the toolbar. Here you can have your site. For suppose it is my blog. This is my blog. This is the website's name. This is my blog. Okay, this would be your page title. For suppose this is home. And now if you want to have more than one page, uh, okay, first let me do it. This is your favicon. Now what is favicon? Favicon is the icon that appears on the top of your website when you run it. This would be your website's name. If you have done some change, you want to undo this, you can undo the change. See, home is continuously just undoing itself, and if you want to redo, you can redo this by here. And you can also check how your website would look like in on a desktop PC, on a tablet, or on mobile phones by this. See, this is preview, and preview is available for different views. Like this was for tablet, this was for PC, this is for tablet, and this is for mobile phone. Now since we are having nothing in a website at the moment, so it will show nothing. All you, if you want to go back, you just have to exit the exit preview. If you want to collaborate with others, you can share this with others. uh, and if you want to copy the link, you just have to click here, but since the website is not published yet, you cannot copy the link. Now the best part for this, it is a way for Google sites, that it is a very lightweighted platform. Unlike WordPress, unlike CMS Joomla, you don't need a hi-fi internet or very super speed internet. As for us, we don't really get super fast internet at our homes or at a university or other places. So for us, for developers such as me or us, sites.google.com is the best platform to show our work. Okay, now this was all for this. If you want to add collaborators, you can share with others as well, to whom you want to share your work with. Okay, and there are more options. You can just do site, and you can add your things to site analytics. You add your website to site analytics. The site analytics is also Google platform that we'll be discussing in our next with some next video. You can duplicate this website. You can add favicon. I already told you what is favicon. Favicon is the icon that appears uh, at the top of your here. Okay, you can get custom URL, but for that you have to pay. You can change site info and all that. Site info, for suppose you want to change your site name, you want to change your site address, all that. Okay, now this is again a difference from WordPress and CMS Joomla, that over there, once you have given a site name, you cannot change. For suppose if my site name is site.google.com/view/Mursal FK. Now I want to change it to Mursal's blog, uh, in Wix.com, in WordPress, and Google, or any other platform. We cannot do that. We cannot change our name so frequently. Or if we can, there are a limit that in your whole in 3 months you can change, or in 4 months you can change once or twice or thrice. But here you can change in a blink of an eye. Okay, this was all for the main ribbon. Now coming over to the right bar. Okay, there you will see insert. In insert, I already told you there are different options that you just have to click, and it would appear over here, and my text. I will search on that in the next video. This video is just for the beginners, for miss for letting you know how we can make our own blog. And for pages, you can add as many pages as you can. Either you can add pages or you can add links. For suppose now, if I want a page, home, and then contact page. Okay, now here you will see a home page. It is still processing. Okay, now you see it is a home page, and this is the contact page. And if I want, I can add a link to this as well. For suppose, for now, google.com.pk, and its name should be Google. And once we do this, you see here is a complete link, and if we once we click over here, it will redirect us to the google.com. And you can also change themes. There are predefined themes and the colors and the font style as well. Now I like a level theme. I like it. As you can change it as you want, as per your requirement. Okay, so this was all for the beginners part. Okay, first let me tell you how to publish. For publishing your website for the very first time, you will be asked a web address. For suppose, as I already told you, my blog. It will check if it's available. It will tell you. If it's not, it's not available. Okay, Mursal's. Okay, blog by Mursal. Now let's see if it's available. Yes, it is available, and anyone can view my website. And if it still, I can do this. Okay, if I only want restricted access to my website, then I can do that as well. What happened is that, as I already told, we don't have some good internet over here. Okay, now while publishing my website, what I'll do, I will blog by Mursal, and yes, it is available, and I'll publish it. Now, once my website is published, I can copy the link. It will be in my clipboard now. I can paste it anywhere, or I can view published site directly as well. Now, this website can be is accessible by everywhere in this world, even but after this video I will delete this website because I don't want to junk on my credit. So now the first there was nothing for the preview. Now let's see. Here we are having pages. We can also go to Google, but we don't want to redirect from this page as I still want to explore this. Now this is the tablet view. Now see the tablet view. This is a very sleek and smart design. And this. Okay. So guys, this was all for this video. You can explore this website. You can just add images, and well, we'll be back tomorrow or day after tomorrow with the same with another video with the same topic. We'll jump deep down in the website. We'll jump deep down in the topic, and I will show you how you can create a complete impressive website with a particular theme for your business or for your own blog as well. Till then, do like this video. If you like it, do give a thumbs up. Do share with your friends or with the guys whom you think that this topic would be beneficial, and to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to press the ring button so that the bell icon so that you don't miss my videos. Hey guys, till then, thank you. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.